Today, a quick guide on how to properly roll a burrito. So let's do it. So first up, you want to use a really good quality flour tortilla. And the first little trick is to make sure you lay the filling of the burrito lengthways from right to left, almost in a sausage shape. And make sure the filling is evenly spread across the tortilla. Next, you want to take the two sides from the right and the left, and we just want to fold those into the middle of the burrito. Be careful not to push all of the ingredients into the middle, and then from there you take the back of the tortilla and fold that over the front. Make sure you overlap the back of the tortilla a little bit at the front, so you can use your fingers to pull back the side of the tortilla that you've just folded over. And then from there, to keep everything neat and tidy, tuck in the sides of the tortilla and then roll it over on itself. Gently give it a bit of a squeeze to form it into a perfect burrito shape so there's no gaps or bulges, and then place it with the seam on the bottom. And then you want to take a nice sharp knife and gently cut your burrito in half. Subscribe to the channel and give the video a like, and I'll see you next time.